Hey guys, Jason Heim here at Wave Electronics in Dallas, Texas with you again, talking about our Elura amp line. Let's talk about this little jewel today. He's a little itsy-bitsy guy here. This is our AMP50 by 2. So, areas of your home where you don't really need a whole lot of sound, but you do want a little bit of background sound there, your best option here is the 50/2. You can actually take two of these guys and put them side by side if you want to cover a couple of other areas, but like I said, you don't want it to be really, really loud in that particular area. This is the perfect solution for, let's say, a powder room, a closet, let's say maybe even a nursery where you just want a little bit of background music, but you're not trying to rip heads off with volume. You could even cover a chicken coop if you wanted to with this guy. The AMP50 by 2 is actually very low profile, and we've built it in a way where you can actually add another one to the side here. And we also make a rack kit for this guy to be able to mount it in a one-use space. Just like all the other amplifiers that we've talked about today, 2-year warranty, over-the-counter exchange. If you guys have a bad one, bring it back to us and we'll get it swapped out for you. Well guys, that about wraps it up for today. Thank you for joining us on our Wave Weekly talks here about Elura amplifiers. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button or watch us on WaveU.